Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today, we are going to study the last internal organ. Children, can you guess which one must be this? This is our kidney. Yes, children, this is our kidney. Children, do you know that our kidney, it looks like a bean, or commonly also known as rajma. That's why rajma is also called as kidney beans, because they have the shape of our kidney. Children, can you guess how many kidneys do we have? Yes, we have 2 kidneys. How many kidneys do we have? 2. And how do they look? They look like beans, also known as rajma in Hindi. Children, do you know that the function of our kidney is to filter the waste from our blood? Children, like you all must be having water filters at your home. Yes, so what is the function of water filter? It filters the water, it filters the unwanted dirt, and it makes the water purified. Yes, it makes the water clean so that you can drink that water. In the same way, our kidney also is like a purifier, is also like a filter. It will filter all the waste from our blood. So children, what is the function of our kidney? The function of our kidney is to filter the waste from our blood. The last and the next topic is bones and muscles. Children, do you know that muscles, they are the soft part of our body? If we will touch the muscles, how they are? They are soft. Yes. So what are muscles? They are soft part of our body. And we can feel the muscles in our arms and legs. And children, do you know that the bones are the hard part of the body? What are they? They are the hard part of our body. Our bones are not soft like the muscles. They are very hard. So the bones are also called as the hard part of our body. And children, do you know all these bones, what do they form? Can you see this picture? Yes, children. So all these bones together, they form a structure. And what is the structure called? The skeleton. Yes, what it is called? Skeleton. Children, the picture which you are seeing on the screen right now is the skeleton. So what is a skeleton? It is the bones in our body that form a structure. Our body is just like the skeleton, okay? And over this only all our organs are there, our skin, our muscles. Clear? So how is our body made up of? Our body has a structure called the skeleton. So how this skeleton made? It is made up of bones. Or the skeleton, how it is? It is made up of bones. Children, do you know that there are 206 bones and 600 muscles in our body? Yes, children, how many bones are there in our body? 206 bones. And how many muscles? 600. More than 600 muscles in our body. And children, do you know where is the smallest bone in our body? It is located in our ears. Yes, children, the smallest bone in our body is located in our ears. Children, we can walk, run, jump, skip, swim, cycling, and eating our food. All these activities we can do only because of our bones and muscles. Yes, children, when we walk, we jump, we run, we do skipping, we play, we cycle, or we go for swimming, or we eat our food also. All these activities, how are we able to do? We are only doing this because of our bones and muscles, because our bones and muscles, they are strong. And children, do you know how can we keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy? We can keep it healthy and strong by eating healthy food. Yes, children, we should eat healthy food. We should not eat junk food. We should eat healthy food, and we should exercise regularly. We should not be very lazy. We have to do exercise. Then only our bones and muscles, they will become strong and healthy, so that we can do all the other activities. Okay, children, so how can we keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy? By eating healthy food and exercising regularly. So children, you all also should exercise regularly. You don't have to sit and eat only. You can walk in your rooms. Yes, children, you can walk, or you can help your mother in cleaning the room. You can help your mother in settling your room. Yes, you can do all small little works. Yes, so that is also your exercise only. You should not sit on the couch and become a couch potato. Okay, you have to exercise regularly. How? You can just walk in your home, or you can help your mother to pass her the things, or you can also keep your things in your cupboard. Yes, children? So children, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and you have understood it. So take care. Bye bye.